Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between vidIO versus InVideo. Which video editor is better? Well, are you looking for the perfect video editor to elevate your content? Choosing the right tool can make all the difference in creating compelling videos that capture your audience attention. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, understanding the capabilities of different platforms is key. We have the link to both services in the description so you can easily gain access to them. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your choice. Now, when it comes to the features, vid.io and InVideo offer a suite of essential video editing tools. These include basic trimming, cropping, adding text, and incorporating music. They also provide access to stock media libraries to enhance your creations. However, they do differ in certain ways. Vid.io excels with its advanced AI-powered editing features. It offers AI-powered magic cut for automatically removing filler words and silences, eye contact correction, and robust background removal. Vid.io also provides comprehensive auto-subtitling and video translation in over 100 languages. InVideo, on the other hand, shines with its stock focus on AI video generation and a vast template library. It allows users to generate videos from text prompts and provides customizable AI avatars. InVideo also boasts of a massive library of over 7,000 customizable templates, making quick content creation super efficient. And now with the pricing, starting with vid.io. Vid.io offers a range of plans to suit different needs, from casual users to large enterprises. So here's a breakdown. You have the free plan, of course, and this is a great way to try out vid.io without any financial commitment. This comes with basic editing tools, watermark exports, and limited export lengths. Then, with the paid plans, you have the Lite plan, which is available at $19 per month. This comes with no watermark, full HD at 1080p, access to some stock audio and video, and other features. Then you have the Pro plan, and this is great for more advanced creators. The Pro plan costs about $49 per month, and this includes all the AI tools that Vid has to offer, 4K Ultra HD export, and full brand kit. You have the Enterprise plan for larger teams and organizations requiring custom solutions. And of course, you'll need to contact sales for your custom pricing. Its features include custom templates, centralized team management, and personalized AI avatars. Now, when it comes to our recommendation, if you're a YouTube creator looking for a significant upgrade from the free version without breaking the bank, we highly recommend the Pro plan. The access to all AI tools, 4K export, and a comprehensive brand kit feature makes it an invaluable asset for producing high-quality, engaging content consistently. And now with the pricing of InVideo. InVideo provides flexible pricing options. You have three plans. You have the Plus plan at $35 per month, which includes unlimited export, 15 minutes of AI generation per month, and 80 iStock assets monthly. You also have the Max plan at $60 per month, and this offers unlimited export, 200 minutes of AI generation per month, and 320 iStock assets monthly. Then you have the Generative plan. This comes at $120 per month. It provides 400 minutes of AI generation per month, 640 iStock assets monthly, and advanced generative credits. Now here's our recommendation. The Plus plan is often recommended for content creators. It provides unlimited export and a solid amount of AI generation and iStock assets for a reasonable monthly fee, thus making it suitable for consistent video production without breaking the bank. Now here are the pros and cons. Starting with vid.io with the pros. It has a user-friendly interface, especially for beginners, powerful AI editing features like magic cut and eye contact correction, extensive automatic subtitling and translation capabilities, good for quick social media content and short-form videos, and seamless collaboration features if you're working in teams. On the flip side, with the cons, it can be slow with very large video files. The free plan has restrictive limitations and watermarks on exports. It is less ideal for complex video projects requiring extensive manual control, limited advanced effects compared to desktop-based software, and the mobile app functionality could be improved. We can wait for more updates for this. InVideo, on the other hand, with the pros, has excellent AI video generator for creating videos from text prompts. You have a massive library of over 7,000 customizable templates. It has an intuitive drag and drop editor for ease of use, cost-effective for generating high-quality marketing videos quickly, and offers a robust free plan to test basic capabilities. On the other hand, with the cons, it can be overwhelming for absolute beginners due to the vast options. The free plan includes a watermark with export, just like vid.io. Occasionally, you can expect to see glitches or performance issues with the editor, but this is occasional. It has limited direct social media posting capabilities, and the customer support can be sometimes slow. Ultimately, both vid.io and InVideo are powerful online video editors, each with unique strengths. Vid.io shines with its AI-powered intelligent editing, perfect for editors focused on quick, polished videos with excellent subtitling. InVideo, on the other hand, excels in AI-driven video generation and offers an extensive template library, making it ideal for rapid content creation, especially for marketing. Your best choice will really depend on your specific needs. Prioritize AI-powered cleanup and accessibility features, go with vid.io. If you need to generate videos from text quickly with abundant templates, InVideo is your go-to. Don't forget to check out the links in vid.io and InVideo in the description below so you can enjoy these services based on your choice. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.